Good morning. So your first return demo in your pediatric care 1 is your breast self-examination. So we have here your picture. All you need to do is to copy everything that the lady here is showing us. Okay. So breast self-examination, it is done for early detection, of course, of your cancer in women, kay presence of any lumps or nodules in your breast may indicate probability of a mass that may lead later on to cancer, especially if the mass will be removed, then after which himbalik na pud siya, and then gi-remove na pud once again after years, himbalik na sab siya. So you may detect now that the mass is cancerous. So for early detection, we should have this breast self-examination. It should be done mga 7 days to 10 days after our menstruation, because it cannot be done during menstruation or before menstruation, kay dili man siya reliable na dayon, kay nga naman, because if we have increased hormones in our body as a women, definitely there will be presence of your nodules in our, or na mga lumps that is atong breast. Okay, so first is we're going to your BSE or breast self exam is first is we're going to stand in front of the mirror where we can see ourselves from head to toe. Dapat makita dire sa imong gikan sa head padulong sa imong toe. So definitely we are not toe, waist. Definitely we are standing. And then there should be a good light. Okay, again, we have to stand in front of the mirror where you can see ourselves from head to waist, so as shown in the picture. And then we have there, observe your breast from the front, then from the right and left sides. So lantawon ni nato atong breast from front, so in front sa mirror, lantawon po nato ang atong left breast or right side, and then try to compare. I-compare nato siya in each position described as follows. Unsa man siya? When arms at your side, so definitely nasa side atong kamot. When arms at our side, notice the normal size, shape, color, contour, and presence of your veins. And then we have the nipple and other characteristic of each breast. Okay, lantawon mo siya. Kung either nagdungo na ba siya, or naghangad na ba siya, or either ang nipple is nasulod nag-inverted ba siya, or sakto lang, or kung nagsag na ba siya. And then after that, with our hands in front of us, so at shoulder height, ana ka. Dayon, pag ana nimo, you going to ana pa day. Before mag-ana ka, dapat pag-ana pa ka. And then we're going to at shoulder height, so dapat ana. So dapat dili makita ang shoulder sa dili ana. So ana gyud siya at shoulder height. And you're going to press palms firmly against each other. So ana ka. Pwede po siya ana, pwede po siya ana. So press palms firmly against each other, contracting now your chest wall muscles. Okay. Notice the manner in which your breast move during position changes. Di ba? Pag mo, di ba, move man imong breast. And next is, put your hands on your hips. Di pa, ana pa di ay. So, dira ka. Then, i-move po ni mo siya, i-contract. So, di ba, nag-move ang imong breast. And then next is, you're going to put your hands at your waist, ana. And try notice the manner in which your breasts move during position changes. But you put your hands on your hips, squeeze your shoulder inward, ana. And then after which is lean slightly forward and down. Look to see the breast appear normal. And then so dapat kung ana ka, so na yung breast ni contract siya. Pero kung muana ka, so medyo masag si breast. And then, that's the time for you to nawin mo, i-compare mo kung normal ba siya. And then, lie down with one hand under your head. So, dapat nasa picture ha. And then lie down with one hand under your head. Next is, what will you do is you're going to place a folded towel under the scapula of the sides you will be examining. Bring your middle three fingers, this one, the middle three fingers, and put it on your, on your nipple. Leon, gikan sa imong nipple, do a concentric circle. So, circle, so ano ba? Circle, circle. So, concentric circle from your nipple. Then, try to feel if there is presence of any lumps. Ana siya. Okay, dayon, extend it to the arm. To the armpit, I mean. Kay mo na siya imong tail of the breast, the armpit. And then, repeat procedure to each breast. Dili na pod. And then, another thing is, you do have to repeat it while you are doing shower. So, repeat the technique during bath or shower when soap and water allows finger to glide easily over the skin. So, that is how you're going to do breast self-exam. And then, you copy also the procedure here nga gisulat. Anyways, na siya sa back sa imo ang handbook. Okay, that would be all for your BSE.